Google VO3 is the best AI video generation model. This might just be the richest side hustle of 2025. Google VO3 is about to revolutionize how students, yes, students, get rich. This isn't just about extra cash, it's about building a fortune. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. VO3 isn't just another AI tool, it's a paradigm shift in content creation and a massive opportunity for students looking to secure their financial future. The ability to create professional video content with just your ideas and prompt engineering skills is truly the richest side hustle you can find in 2025. Here are 5 side hustles using VO3 to launch real income streams. 1. Short films and creative projects. Film students are making entire short films in hours. No expensive gear, just creative ideas and smart prompts. 2. Animated videos and explainers. You can create animated explainers for startups or edtech companies. These are in high demand, especially on YouTube and LinkedIn. 3. Marketing and advertising content. Businesses need ads, lots of them. If you can generate scroll-stopping videos with VO3, local businesses and global brands will hire you. 4th, documentaries and educational materials. Teachers, NGOs, YouTubers, they all need high-quality visuals. You can generate full docu-style footage and sell it as a package. 5. Social media content. Short-form content is king. TikTokers and IG creators need daily videos. You can batch create their content using VO and charge monthly retainers. Why this is the perfect time? The opportunity is now. VO3 is still fresh, and most people haven't figured it out. If you learn how to craft the right prompts, you're not just riding the wave, you're ahead of it. Learn prompt engineering. Master VO3. Get paid. Keep in mind, VO3 is a tool. Success still requires creativity, storytelling, prompt engineering, marketing, and potentially basic editing skills to stitch generated clips together. Subscribe this channel to be a part of a world's largest side hustle community.